Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Chrome. Open the three-dot menu and choose Settings so you can act. First, make sure Chrome is updated because many ad behaviors change with versions. Once done, navigate quickly to Extensions and Site Settings. These are where most ads originate or are allowed. You're not pausing for background info. Inspect your active extensions and the site settings permissions for notifications and pop-ups so you can remove sources of ads right away. Now you act on what you found. Disable suspicious extensions by toggling them off, then remove any you don't recognize. Next, go to Privacy and Security right arrow Site Settings and set pop-ups and redirects to block. This stops many ad landing pages. Also check notifications and revoke permission from sites that push ad messages. Make sure to clear browsing data for cached ad scripts. This prevents repeat behavior. These steps neutralize common ad. Finish by clearing cache and cookies, then restart Chrome to apply changes. That removes lingering ad scripts and stored permissions. If ads persist, reset Chrome settings to default or create a new profile to isolate the issue. Make sure to run Chrome's built-in cleanup tool or a trusted anti-malware scan because persistent ads often indicate unwanted software. If you still see ads, check another browser to confirm system-level malware and follow removal instructions accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.